Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining fast issue in Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your phone is draining battery too fast, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can do is just scroll in Control Center and just disable unnecessary connections from here like your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi calling, your auto rotate, your mobile data, do not disturb mode, memory control, and most especially location. So if you're not using your Wi-Fi, so you can also disable your Wi-Fi itself. But if you're using Wi-Fi, so you can keep it enabled. Then just go to your settings tab here. Once you are in settings, go to display. And in display, I recommend you how to select dark mode instead of light mode. Dark mode consume less battery rather than light mode from here. Then you have to enable the adaptive brightness. And then in the motion smoothness, you have to select standard, then click apply. Now once you have done, you just have to go back, go to battery section here. Now in battery section, I recommend you how to enable power saving mode to get better battery lifetime. Or you can also go to background users limits, and here just put some apps to sleeping apps to don't allow the apps run in background. That will also help you to maintain your battery life. Or here in this section, you can see which app is consuming more battery in your phone, and you can also take some actions with that app. Like if you were so let's suppose my Facebook app is taking more space or taking more battery, so I can disable background usage, or I can also put Facebook app in sleeping app section to prevent background usage. Once I've done, the issue might have been fixed. So once you have done this all, you have to go to settings app here. In settings, go to software update section and it's hard to update your software because pending software updates also consume more battery. Then just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and just click on restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.